pretty much 9 volts. Okay, battery is pretty much shot and dead. It's probably not going to start up. In fact, the alarm's probably going to keep kicking off. Nope. Not going to even go. So, we can use my usual JNC 660 or, well, guess what? I got something from Amazon here. So let's take a look at see what it is. Don't need that. Got nothing else. A Moo-Kee K12 jump starter. Now, I bought this for the much smaller vehicle, or should I say the much smaller motor over there, the Orlando, which is a 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter. I'm sure it'll work on that for sure. But on my truck, which is a 4.3 liter, I'm not sure. Alright, so we got some jumper leads, positive, negative. This one does not have one of those status lights. USB cable. Whoever reads instructions. So cool little packaging if you ask me. This can definitely fit underneath your car seat. Take a look at the important bit, the battery bit. Alright. Well, cool. Ooh. Alright, so you have steady, you have, that's SOS. This is just strobe and off. Alright, I'm slightly blind. So, carport charger is going to be for like your cell phone charging, I'm going to assume. And then charging it. And this is why I bought this for the small little car, so we can use it when we're out and about and we want to, I don't know, use a little bit of light outside or be able to charge our, charge our cell phones, but at the same time we can recharge this pack nice and easily. No proprietary charger, no need to have some sort of wall or 12 volt plug-in, just plug this straight in. But the question is, since this guy can only do about 200 amps for cranking power, it can burst up a little bit more. Oh, here it is. Sorry. Let's see if we can pick it up on the GoPro. So there's the K12 model. And you can see 200 amp, peak is 400, but that's probably going to just be for like 2 seconds, and even then, I don't care. That's not going to really work. We're really focused on this 200 amp. My starter on this truck is probably about a 160 amp in good working condition, I'd say. And what I mean by that is if the motor has fresh oil in it, so it's nice and smooth, it's running great, and with a good battery. Well, right now with the dead battery, that starter is gonna cause quite a bit of strain. So anyways, let's see if this will work. You can already see a slight problem here. Gonna have to charge the battery up. Okay, now you know the instructions tell you to put this directly onto the battery, but you know what? I don't think I'm gonna stick to that instruction. I'm gonna jump it up the way I normally do, okay? Which is gonna be positive, and then finding my ground, which is this bolt right here, and then we'll see what happens. But it tells me to put it direct to the battery. I never jump directly to the battery. Oops, nope, it's the other way. My bad. Alright, let's see what happens when we do this. Okay. Hang on, I'm just gonna move this guy over here so that we can see it better. Okay. Well, you know, see what happens. Wait. Okay, so we'll hush that up. So we're definitely getting power right now, which is really cool. Before I crank it, because this little guy probably needs sit there for a little bit longer. Let's see what we can get on the voltage readout. There we go. Okay, so we're seeing 11.5. There you go, 11.5, 11.6, 11.5 volts. I don't think that's going to be enough to crank it. Well, let's give it a go. Here we go. Nope. Maybe let it charge on a little bit longer. I mean, that was at least a good minute of a wait. Let's try this again. Whoa, we heard a little bit of crank there. Maybe wait a little bit more. That's lower than before. No, I don't think it's gonna happen. We're sitting around 11 volts, or not even. We are not gonna be able to crank this motor like that. I'll try it one more time. So don't forget, for these guys, because they don't really have a... Ooh, it's kind of warm. Ooh, yeah, we took some power out of it. Anyways, as I was saying, make sure you disconnect from here first. Always remove the battery portion first. Oh yeah. And I'll just show you guys what the voltage probably is with the jumper pack in. The bigger JNC jumper pack. Well, anyways, there's your 12 volts that we're looking for. Okay? And I'm pretty sure it'll crank up right away, the usual. But just so I don't annoy the neighbors too much, let's... Oh, perfect. Yeah, there you go. Nice and easy. So, there you go, the JNC 660. Obviously, nice and heavy, 20 pounds. I can probably do that multiple times with this guy. Moo-Kee. It's actually kind of nice because it's warm right now. Yes, it's still warm. It's already been sitting here for a while. Definitely used up some power, but anyways. It sounded like it was going to crank, but as I showed you guys, just not enough juice for a vehicle this size. But if you're buying it for a smaller vehicle, maybe even a V6 with just smaller battery, such as a, not battery, sorry, smaller motor and starter, let's say 100 amp or something like that, maybe it can start. 120 amp, maybe, but definitely not this vehicle. And don't even try it on a V8. Alright, thanks for watching.